It's weird, eh?
Kind of like it better. Feels like easier.
My personal vehicle is a Nissan Versa, little Note. It's a small car. Can you ever feel the bumps, man?
Yeah, that's the only thing too.
Oh, yeah, I hate it. This one here is not too bad. So you want to keep your speed constant like you are here and just take a mental note of this sign, hidden intersection up ahead. That's just to give you a chance to avoid a collision if someone pulls out in front of you here out of this roadway, because they might not see you till the last second.
Right.
You're hidden basically around the corner. Looking for little feet around the car.
That guy was coming straight.
Yeah, yeah, and if he would have the right of way basically.
He would?
Yeah, because the car, when they're parked on your side, you have to give way to any oncoming vehicles. Unless there's room. Like, this is a pretty wide road here.
Yeah.
Because the idea is when you're going around a parked vehicle, you want to go around it like a door length. Just kind of arc your way around it. There's nothing worse than brushing up against a parked car. Never know if somebody's going to open the door. Here, we're going to turn left. We don't have a line. And we don't have a sidewalk here either. There's no sidewalk that connects to the one on the left side. So here, your stopping position is right at the edge of the road. So keep on going. I'll show you exactly where to stop. Keep on going a little bit more. Yeah, right here. So that's right at the edge of the road where the two roads meet.
Yeah.
You're allowed to stop here.
And then I should probably creep a bit just to make sure.
No, you're good here because you got 4 stop signs.
Right.
Yeah, so it's just like a kickback, 1, 2, off you go.
I didn't do it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, that's okay.
I thought we were stopped.
It's a habit thing. It takes a little while to form these and get it into your muscle memory, you know. Yeah. Plus, too, there's other things going on. I'm talking to you, and that's distracting. So,
it's all good.
Yeah, just go with the flow, man. Here, we're gonna keep going straight. There's a little old stop line here. You can ignore that. They got to take an eraser out and erase it. At the lights ahead, we're going to keep going straight. Okay. So it's a bit of a wonky offset intersection.
Yeah, which one's the probably the left one?
Yes, you got her, yeah.
So would I just flow into this?
Yeah, right into it. No signal required.
Got it.
Positioning your vehicle next to the yellow line. Can you still see the outer crosswalk line? Just sitting.
See the one right there, the last one.
Okay, that's good.